Have you ever been so nervous that your palms were dripping with sweat? I have. In fact, on the day of my master's thesis, I carried a handkerchief just to wipe my clammy hands. I was out of breath that my supervisor had to remind me to breathe before I began. I'm sure preparing to defend my MS dissertation is even more nerve-wracking. Those who defend their dissertation, their experience is a roller coaster of emotions, from apprehension and panic to anticipation and relief. It's actually a big milestone and a very important day for a researcher. And my today's video, I'm going to share with you my personal experience, that how I defended my MS final seminar in this pandemic COVID-19, and will give you some essential tips which will help you to defend seminars successfully. First of all, let me define what actually thesis is. Actually, thesis is a long piece of writing based on your own ideas. And in seminar, you have to prove your ideas by defending, by authentic arguments. It's a very interesting to know how I defended my thesis and how I faced many challenges. Actually, I have done my MS in applied linguistics, and it was a truly enriching experience and a challenging but rewarding journey. It was not possible without support of my great mentors. I'm extremely grateful to my supervisors, first of all, Madam Shabana Sartaj, the most competitive and professional one. She encouraged me and guided me throughout my long journey of MS. And second, Sir Waqar Ali Shah, kind-hearted and expert in his subject. After suspension of physical classes, our first task was to research. The real game has just started, as due strict checking of the plagiarism. We can only take reference and write our own ideas. My MS thesis is composed of 25,000 words on 90 pages. Once research is completed, second step is to defend your thesis before a board which is consisted of professors and subject specialists. This day is really tough and risky. If a researcher is unable to defend its thesis, will get a 0. Actually, university was too far from my home, and being a girl, I had to face many challenges as compared to boys. I was so nervous how I will defend my seminar before professors from Mehran University. Finally, the day came when I went for defending with shivering hands and trembling legs. The stage seems like a battleground. The war was about to start between me and versus board of members. I felt nervous and just spoke a few words which were not sufficient to defend my thesis. The war was about to start between me versus board of members. I felt nervous and just spoke a few words which were not sufficient to defend myself. Alas, I could not satisfy teachers and the committee. One of our professors said politely, "Beta, it was your first stamp. You tried your best and need more improvement. Next time, come with full preparation." For a while, I was shocked that how could it be possible that I failed to defend my final seminar. For a while, I was shocked that how could it be possible that I failed to defend my thesis. There were many unwanted thoughts came in my mind. To quit MS forever, I became hopeless. For many days, I couldn't sleep even and had nightmares. It was not less than a trauma for me, but my better half encouraged me a lot. Once I told entire story of my failure, he listened and started laughing. I was so angry at him, at his behavior, but later he explained that failure is not final and we fail to rise again. These words touched my heart and soul. He encouraged me to try again with fullest zeal and courage. It was a ray of hope for me to rise and shine again. I started working on it with full confidence. It took me at least 6 months to get prepared. This time I was hopeful to fight again and defend myself. First thought was, am I ready for this? By that I mean I was considering all the stress of letting something as important as presenting your 4 years worth of work and dedication to be resting on something as delicate as an online connection. Your research is all in your head, and we know that it is often difficult to communicate effectively, even if we talk to face with our professors. I prepared myself by reading every single page of my dissertation very carefully. As I started working on it, it increased my interest day by day. As some work had been published more than a year ago, I was a bit cloudy in my mind. Yet, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many final year master's students have been unable to experience a traditional dissertation defense. As the situation with COVID-19 became increasingly serious in mid-March, the pandemic has disreputed almost all aspects of academic life, including how the dissertation defense is carried out. Several researchers, even my classmates, including me, have had to defend their work online, and this is not a situation that they would normally have expected to face. Surprisingly, now I am going to share my own personal experience. I was little disappointed. I see the defense as a unique opportunity. High profile professors, supervisors, and there are also co-supervisors, researchers who have read your entire dissertation gather in one. This time I was quite prepared, and externals were from another universities. I think they have prepared list of questions. It seems like they will ask each and everything from me. From my thesis they hold in their hands. This is a rare situation which is rather luxurious and will not repeat itself so soon. I would have wished for a more personal experience that could result in a deep conversation about how my document could be the best it can be and about which steps to take moving forward. One should always highlight main points of one's thesis, which are important, and practice with friends to ask different questions and answers them. What I did to reach my goal and boost my confidence high. You should never feel that you cannot do. Self-motivation helps you to defend your thesis. However, I am glad that in the end I was able to follow through with my defense, even though we are currently in lockdown. Technology is amazing. To be quite honest, it went very well. That journey of completing my thesis really taught me a lot. Looking back at that time, I realized I had a belief in my mind that I should not give up, that I needed to reach my destination. I learned again and again that if there is a will, there is surely a way. Now I use both the negative and positive elements of what I learned during my MS and pass it all to my students. I try to assist them so that they may not face the same situation I had to face. Thank you for watching and listening my whole story of MS dissertation. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Happy watching.